Hi friends, welcome back to the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. This is Gina, I am your host, and I'm here to show you how to take your fabric off your CYBEX Coya style stroller. Now, this would be a perfect time if you haven't yet to go ahead and hit subscribe to this channel. You can also head over to my website, destinationbabykids.com. I'm a real brick and mortar store here in the greater San Francisco Bay Area. We sell everything on that website, destinationbabykids.com, including this stroller, the CYBEX Coya style, as well as a whole host of other things. Books, car seats, games, toys, pacifiers, feeding, high chairs, clothing, so bibs, everything best for baby, all can be purchased at destinationbabykids.com. And I appreciate all my subscribers and people who do shop through our website, because you guys are the reason that this store is still functioning. So thank you kindly. Now let's launch into how to take the fabric off of this stroller. So this will be a little bit different than some of the other videos I do, because I'm probably gonna close up on the stroller and you won't see as much of me. But the whole point of this is that in order to do a car seat or a bassinet on this product, you're gonna need to remove all the fabric from it. And I don't like their videos that show you how to do everything without explaining verbally what's going on. So that is the intention of what we're gonna be doing here. I think I'm gonna stop the camera right now, yeah, I'm gonna stop it, and then I'm gonna reposition it and close in on the stroller just a little bit closer so you guys can have a better sense of what the hell is going on. You won't see as much of me, but again, the star in this video is the fabulous Coya style, and we wanna make sure that we completely show how to do all the on and off, so give me 1 second. Okay, so we've repositioned the camera, and what I would show you all first is right here on the canopy, there are on both sides like a little tab that almost looks like a button going through a buttonhole. So what you're gonna wanna do is undo that little fabric piece like so on both sides. So I got mine pretty quickly here. Now, after that, you're gonna go ahead and pull out, or excuse me, on the inside here, there's a little snap. So this is on the interior between the seat and this joint here, right above it, there's a snap. If you unsnap that on both sides, you're in good shape. My other one was already unsnapped. So now that we've unsnapped that, we're gonna go ahead and pop the canopy off. And in order to do that, this wire you're gonna pull up, but you're gonna press a button, and then that should come right up. Additionally, here at the top, the canopy is attached on this guy as well with a wire. And we're gonna want this piece to come off, so we'll pull that down on both sides super easily. And then this piece just pops out. There is now the seat unit, right? We're gonna wanna remove the seat material. And so just to show you all sort of what I'm talking about is on the seat where I'm using my thumbs, you're able to see there's like these pieces, the sort of triangular piece moving. Let's go ahead and fold the stroller slightly and see if pushing that piece toward, like twisting it and then pushing it toward the foot, that undoes that guy. So now we're like pretty good as far as taking this off, but there's an additional piece here on this back of the stroller. And this is the guy that's attached to the backrest of the stroller. So this piece, ooh, there's a button on it, and I think you press that. So you press that guy. And again, this might be another instance of let's go ahead and recline the seat, see if that helps at all. I feel like you would press that piece and then you're gonna slide it up toward me. Let's go ahead and fold this slightly and see if that gives us some flexibility to hit this a little more easily. And hopefully my hair isn't in the way and you guys can see what's going on. Yes, so you press that piece on the back of that little dude and it's definitely like a button. You'll feel it, and then you slide it toward that joint. Upright, I guess, would be, but since the stroller wasn't up, it was more back. So now we've got like 90% of this guy pulled off, which is pretty awesome. And then they show that there's buttons here on the back of the seat. So there's one on this side, and it's a memory button. And then it looks like there's one on the other side. And that will enable you to lift the seat fully off the frame. And we will put that away for later. But now that we've taken that off, we can go ahead and put, oh my God, I don't know which one is which. I'm pretty sure this is the car seat adapter. Don't quote me on it because it might be the bassinet adapter. Okay, that fits nicely. And then you hook that dude on. Let's go to the other side. I mean, it's really not that big of a deal either way because I've got both pieces, obviously. And now we'll put the car seat on. Just like that. That looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and remove the car seat. Pinch and lift, very easy. Will this fold with this guy on here? Yes, it will, but not going in the overhead. So you would want to remove your adapters if you're folding the stroller for that purpose. Let's go ahead and reopen it and we'll try it with the bassinet adapters. So good for me to know the car seat adapters for this product are like straight up and down. The bassinet adapters for this product, and it is a folding bassinet, which is pretty cool. And the bassinet adapters come with the bassinet, so like you can't really screw this up, but they look like that. Now these adapters are a lot more serious than the old CYBEX adapters. Like if you look at the old video, or excuse me, the video I made comparing the old version of the stroller versus the new one, the new car seat adapters are considerably more robust. And again, that old CYBEX Coya will not do this. So if you buy an old Coya with the intention of like buying the bassinet, you're gonna be SOL because they don't go together. So here we've got the bassinet adapters on the product. We'll go ahead and put the bassinet on there. And now we have a newborn option with bassinet. There we go. Just like that. And it does fold with it on there. Let's make sure that we don't screw this up. Bassinet comes down. There is a handle there to fold that guy. And once that's folded, you can go ahead and fold the stroller frame up just like that. Standing maybe is another story. Probably is more appropriate to lean it against something, but it does functionally fold with the bassinet on the frame, especially when you do it correctly, which obviously leaves a little to be desired here because I did it rapidly, but you guys get the point. So if you have questions or comments, leave it below. Thank you so much for watching. And now we know how to take that material off of the frame of the new Coya style.